Using an excavator for lifting operations should not be taken lightly. Before you start the lift, ensure that the competent person has provided a lift plan that covers the planned lifting operation. This plan must be briefed to the lifting team. All of the lifting team must be trained and competent to carry out the lift, including any necessary endorsements. The operator must be familiarised on the operation of the excavator. The operator must always carry out their pre-start checks, including any quick hitch, to ensure that there are no defects or damage to the machine that may affect its safe operation. The operator must also refer to the rated capacity chart for the excavator to ensure it has sufficient capacity for the entirety of the planned lifting operation. If the machine is fitted with an aftermarket installed rated capacity indicator, or RCI, reference must be made to the specific rated capacity chart provided. Please note that rated capacity charts are only typically valid for static duties. A derating of at least 50% may need to be applied when travelling. The slinger signaller must always carry out a pre-start check for all lifting accessories, including checking reports of thorough examination are present and in date. All chain slings, textile slings, wire rope slings, shackles, and any other lifting accessories must be thoroughly examined at least every 6 months. It is vital to agree the means of communication during the pre-lift briefing. The communication method must be appropriate to the environment and understood by all involved. Ensure access to the lift area is restricted to prevent unauthorised access. This may require barriers and must be monitored to ensure unauthorised persons do not encroach on the operation. Once all the pre-lift checks have been completed, the operator can enter the excavator and prepare for lifting. Lifting should never be undertaken with a bucket or any other attachment on the quick hitch. Removing them gives better visibility for the operator, as well as helping to prevent any fouling of the lifting accessories. Any stabilising devices present, such as blades or outriggers, should be deployed prior to commencing the lift. Please note that when undertaking travelling duties with a wheeled excavator, the axle lock must be set to permanently on, and the tyre pressure should be part of the operator's pre-start checks. The bucket cylinder should be extended so that the quick hitch lifting eye is pointing downwards. Having ensured the slinger signaller and other personnel are outside the red zone, the operator can position the excavator ready for the slinger signaller to attach the lifting accessories. If the excavator is fitted with a dedicated lifting mode, it should be enabled in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. The operator should now isolate the excavator by releasing the dead man's lever. They should indicate to the slinger signaller that it is safe to enter the red zone by giving the thumbs up signal. The slinger signaller is now safe to approach the excavator and start attaching the lifting accessories. There should always be a swivel arrangement included within the lifting accessories. The slinger signaller should now exit the red zone and give the operator the thumbs up. Under the direction of the slinger signaller, the operator can now position the lifting accessories over the centre of the load. Having been given the thumbs up by the operator, the slinger signaller can now safely approach the load and attach the lifting accessories to it. The slinger signaller should now direct the operator to perform a test lift. This should be done to ensure the load is balanced and secure. The slinger signaller should also check for any debris or loose items that could fall off the load when it is in the air. Under the direction of the slinger signaller, the operator can now lift, move and lower the load. If the lift requires travel, ensure the radius of the lift is minimised and the load is kept close to the ground. If at any point in the lift, any rated capacity warning devices sound an alarm, the lift must be stopped immediately. Whilst only the slinger signaller can direct the excavator, it is essential that the operator responds to an emergency stop instruction from any on-site personnel. Once the load has been landed, the slinger signaller should direct the operator to continue to lower until the lifting accessories go slack. The operator should then isolate the excavator using the deadman lever and give the slinger signaller the thumbs up. The slinger signaller can now return and detach the lifting accessories from the load. Once this has been completed, they can leave the red zone and give the operator the thumbs up. Under the direction of the slinger signaller, the operator should then slowly raise the boom, being careful not to snag the lifting accessories on any part of the load. At this point, further lifting operations can continue or the lifting accessories can be removed.